Hello students, the topic of my microlesson today is to introduce water resources and how to protect them. So first of all, I will share the agenda of this lesson. At the beginning of the lesson, I encourage you to brainstorm a few water-related questions. And then I would like to introduce the concept of water and the uses of water, which help you to have a clear understanding of water. In addition, I would like to share some tips on how to protect water resources. And in the final of this macro lesson, I will give you a quiz to test the knowledge you master. First, please pause the video and think about these three questions, and it's a brainstorm. So do you think water is important to your life, and what do you normally do with water? And do you think problems such as water pollution and waste will seriously impact people's lives? Okay, the protection of water resources not only includes the conservation of water resources, but also environmental pollution is a problem that cannot be ignored. In the picture, we can see that the harm brought by the pollution of water resources is very terrible. So we must pay attention to the protection of water resources. And although we drink water every day, so what's water? According to the literature, water is the solvent used by nature from biological chemistry, and the water has many characteristics like it's liquid, it's recyclable, it's used for. In addition, water is the liquid that gives life to living things on Earth. Water is so closely related to our lives that is no doubt to say that all living things need water to survive. Without the presence of water, living things would not be able to survive. For example, water continues the life of animals and plants. Without water to nourish them, flowers would wither, and without water, animals would not survive. Next part, I will introduce the use of water. So please pause the video and think about it. The question, what do you really do with water? Okay, as a very valuable resource, water has many uses. First of all, water helps people to continue their life. Only when they drink water, people can survive. And I mentioned this knowledge before. And secondly, in life, water also provides convenience for people's life. For example, people need water to take a bath, wash clothes, things like that. Water is very important. And finally, I will share some tips about how to protect water resources, like increase water utilization and reduce water waste, and you can control pollution and protect the environment. And you can use water to do many different things. Don't waste water, and cultivate the students' awareness of protecting water and not throwing garbage in the water. So at the final part of this macro lesson, I will prepare you a quiz and you can test yourself. And this is the answer. So in this macro lesson, I introduced the concept of water and the use of water, and I also mentioned some measures to protect water resources. So thank you for your participation.